Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollarz. In today's video, we are going to be doing our Tiny Tuesday savings challenges to save for our upcoming sinking funds for the month of August. Okay, y'all, happy Tuesday. I got this new calendar, so today is Monday, July 28th, because I'm always forgetting the date, and it says, "You've got oil that it takes." All of these are puns, which I love. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I have a few things to share with you. So I have new challenges in Etsy. These are matte vellum challenges, and they are all the holidays that are in my holiday binder. So we have Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, July 4th, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and birthday. So these challenges are something that I made because, as you know, I have my holiday binder, which I do on festive freebie Fridays. And I wanted a way to keep track of the money that I've saved so that I can see like when I'm fully funded. So I made one for each, and I figured I would post them on Etsy to see if anybody else would like them. You can get an individual envelope for $4. If you would like an individual one, you can get the whole set for $18. That is the best deal there is. So that is the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys. And then the second thing is my Pack-A-Picnic box, or it's not a box challenge. It's a like card game really, but this it comes with a dashboard and 24 different cards with challenges. This is something that I sent out to my members as part of their membership. But if you are not part of my member on Ko-fi, if you're not part of that membership and you want this game, then you can buy it on Etsy for $12 is what I listed it for. But you guys on YouTube, you can use the code Doodler for 25% off, which I don't know what that would be because I'm bad at math, but 25% off, $12, whatever that is. So you get a little discount, a little discount if you just want this game to add to your savings collection. All right, so those are the two items that I've listed on Etsy. Let's get into some savings, guys. So we have how much money? I don't even remember how much money I have. I have two spicy fives here today. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. $35 here to save. I'm going to mix in these spicy fives, and we're gonna roll a die. Whatever that die says is the challenge that will get 2 bills. So number 6 is getting our first 2 bills. Then challenge number 2, challenge number 3, number 6 again. So guys, I have been back in the classroom. I'm getting all of my lessons ready for my kids. Oh, there's our first spicy 5. I'm getting all my lessons ready for my kids to come back. We are going to be learning some French. I'm so excited. I feel like this time of year is always an exciting time to meet like the new kids, and you just feel like you feel refreshed after summer break and ready to go and take on the year. And I have just all these new ideas that I want to do in my classroom, and my creativity is just, you know, going nuts, which is fun, but also exhausting because like I literally got 4 hours of sleep last night, I think, because I just could not fall asleep. I was thinking about all the things that I want to do in my classroom and all the things that I want to make. I make a lot of things on Canva, surprise, surprise, for my classroom as well. And so, you know, I just have all of that going on in my brain as I'm laying there trying to go to sleep. So that's always fun. It's always an exciting time of year. Okay, So this first challenge is by Joe at CBA Mom Saves. We have 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we've been doing this as a roll and save. And so we got our last number here, which was $8. So we're gonna see how much we ended up saving with this challenge. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Okay. I will list all these creators of these challenges down below. Go check them out, guys, if you are interested in any of these challenges. Most of them are freebies that I got on their Ko-fi shops. So one challenge is complete. Yay! Get on board that savings train. All aboard. Also, I got a new calculator. Look how cute it is. And it works and it feels sturdy, like it's not going to break the second I use it, which is so nice. Okay, I really needed to do that like quite a while ago. I don't know why it took me so long. This next challenge is by Bookish Mama Budgets, and each little sunscreen here is $2, so we can add another one since we got $2 more for this challenge. So cool. All right, then we have this challenge by Beezy's Things. So cute, cute little affirmations, positive affirmations. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, but yeah, I have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Today, I was at work. I was supposed to leave at 4, and I was just working away, typing on my keyboard, like creating cute things in Canva for my students. And all of a sudden, I look up and it's 5 o'clock, and I was supposed to leave at 4. And I'm like, oh my gosh, time just flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is what this challenge has. All right, next our challenge here by Joe at CBA Mom Saves again. We had a rollover one from last time, so we have 5, 6, and 7. I believe we're doing each circle as $2. So let's do 2, 4, 6, and we still have a rollover one. But we have $8 locked in here. We have this rollover one. So maybe next week we can finish this one. All right, we have a new challenge here by yours truly, Doodle Dollarz, but I forgot to put my name on it because it was when I was first starting to create everything. Honestly, I still forget to put my name on things sometimes. Yeah, but it's by me. It's in my Ko-fi still. You can get it if you want it. It's cactus themed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And let's see. I think I'm going to make each one $2. So we're going to do 2, 4, 6, and we'll have a rollover one. There's that. And then our last challenge is by my dear sweet friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks. I love her to death, and we got this cute little froggy here. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do each heart as $2. So we'll color in 3 of these hearts. All right, so we got that done. So that is it, y'all, for this video. We have one challenge here to add to our savings, completed savings bag. There you go. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment to say hi. I would love to hear from y'all. And I hope you have a good rest of your week. I'll see you tomorrow for our scratch and save binder. Bye.